Welcome back to It's a Rainy Day. I got a comment from my uncle that I should do this, and, well, he said I should blow up a banana or a frog or something. Can't actually remember it, but yeah. The only thing I got is banana. With 5 of them. We won't see how much damage it takes to mess one up. Okay, so let's start, shall we? Put the banana right there so you can see it. I like the first one right here. See what happens. Woo! That's a broken banana. Let's like the second one. Ooh, the second one didn't want to light. Okay, let's go to the next one. There goes that part. Two of them. Yeah, that's a messed up banana. Anyways, that was submitted by my uncle. Leave a comment. What else I should blow up? Down below. Don't forget to subscribe wherever it is. Either of those two. But yeah, look up. Stay tuned for new videos. And now I just got a mess to clean up. Okay? Well.